aliran filsafat Stoikisme.
Prinsip Stoikisme.
Stoicism.
So, the philosophy of Stoicism in early 2022, in fact, since 2019, 2020, and 2021, it was really busy about the philosophy of Stoicism, and many people, including you, feel that, oh, this is my life principle. Well, the question is it true or not? But the practice of Stoicism can be a solution to our many life problems. Or is this teaching just bullshit behind? Or, in fact, many people who claim that they are Stoic actually don't really understand about the pastors. Well, in this segment, this time I will discuss the Stoicism here. I will not only discuss the definition, but also the negative things about the Stoicism, so that we all don't get too excited about practicing Stoicism. So that you understand the context, I want to explain a little about the story of the Stoicism. The Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophical teaching. So, it starts in Greece, where if you know the character, you must know the most famous trio Stoicism. The first is Seneca, the second is Epictetus, the third is Marcus Aurelius, and actually there are many more besides those three, but those three trios are the most famous. But even though they are ancient, even though it has been thousands of years since the Stoics were first introduced, this teaching will exist and is actually something good. The Stoicism teaches a lot of good and practical things that can be applied every day, and there are several things that I have summarized. The first thing that the Stoicism teaches is to focus on the things that we can control. So, according to the system, it's divided it into two. The first is things that we can control, which are internal things, but there are also external things outside of ourselves that we can control. Emotion, actually. Stoicism can be said to also believe that this can be controlled, including one of the employees in human that are sometimes automatic. Just emotion and things that are in us we can train ourselves to control because it's indeed our body something that we can control. So, Stoicism teaches us to focus on yes, no matter how much the world collapses, for example, whatever happens, focus on things that you can control. And this is actually also researched by psychologists, including in psychology, this is called locus of control. And people who are happier, of course, are people who have an internal locus of control. So, people who emphasize that if they fall, if they success, yes, this is because I personally like that I focus on things that I control, not blaming the situation, blaming the government, blaming the teacher, blaming God. Yes, that's the reason.